Hello everyone, thought I'd do another quick video of a Sprinter 2021 2 litre 654 engine. Customer of mine's got now 3, and I've seen this before, and the lads I know at Mercedes have also warned me about this and told me that this is quite a common thing amongst some other things. Basically, I've got a 2021 Sprinter. It's on 121,000 miles. No, 112. But I think this van's been a traffic management van, so it's just been moving traffic lights about, and the lads in them just sit idling and chilling and playing on the phone. So they're not running, they're not driving, they're not being driven. Anyway, this customer's not had this one that long, and we're getting limp mode, and it's throwing 2 faults. One was boost pressure too low, and the other is component differential pressure sensor of exhaust gas recirculation. Low pressure has a malfunction. There is no signal change. Bit of a weird code. I was wondering if it could be related to my issue I've got, but when I've tested it with the computer, it's testing okay. I've actually removed the low pressure EGR valve, checked the pipes up to the pressure sensor. They're not blocked. The EGR cooler's not blocked. I put a camera up it. We're going to have to see. I know that that does have some bearing on this valve and the exhaust, and if that's not working properly, that could be causing a pressure issue, but we'll just see. There's not a lot I can really do on that one at the minute. I've not actually road tested it, but the boost pressure too low has happened 12 times. Yeah, let me just ignore the top code because I unplugged the ECU while I only just turned it off. Boost pressure is too low. Frequency counter 12. And if you look, I don't actually know what, I couldn't see. Somewhere in here there's specified boost 2.7 bar, and I didn't actually find actual earlier. Not overly worried, but one of the lads at Mercedes told me to test was this. Boost pressure. Now earlier when I came, with the engine running as it is now at idle, that was reading about 930 HPAs, and you can see above, look, atmospheric at my current altitude is 997. So I was actually reading a vacuum on the boost pressure sensor, and when you revved it, that figure was going down, not up. Initially on the first blip of the throttle, the figure went to negative, which is because the charge cooler is blocked. Now, if any of you don't know, the new 654 engine doesn't have a conventional intercooler. Turn the phone around. It has one of these. Charge cooler, which Mercedes have never done before. It's never been something Merc have ever done on a commercial aspect. Anyway, probably did on cars, but just look at the state of that. Not focusing very well, but there you go. Look at the absolute state of that. All that soot. And then what happens is the boost pressure sensor on the 654 engine is that white thing there. Got a bit blurry. So what's happening is, because this is the intake pipe to the engine, when you rev the engine here, we're getting a vacuum because the charge cooler on that side, because there's the new charge cooler, you can see it fitted there. The intake side, which is down there, that can't push air through the charge cooler. So I've replaced the charge cooler. I've got no faults for the high pressure EGR is not throwing any fault codes. Low pressure EGR at this present time is actually showing as being okay. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'll just nip down the yard in this van just to see what it does, and let the customer have it back. But it's just something to be wary of on the 654 engine. 2 litres, charge coolers blocking. The other issue that the lads at Mercedes did warn me about was turbos, but I've yet to see one fail. I have checked this one, it's fine, there's no damage on the actual intake. It's not breathing, nothing's blocked, so we'll put it back on the road and see what happens. Right, see you all later.